name's Nicole Banner. I am office manager at Mueller Park Junior High. I've been working at Farmington High as part of my internship for my college degree in communications. This Mission Day experience with the Army National Guard was an opportunity to just kind of show our students what kind of a career field can I have. I approached administration and said, I think we should do this. I think we should bring this into the school and give these kids this experience.
My name is Master Sergeant Zachary Hyde. I'm with the Youth Army and National Guard. So we have 4 different stations here. One of our stations is a CPR station. They put the virtual reality headset on. They actually get to do CPR and be able to learn how to do that. Another station we have is a night vision station. They're crawling through tunnels with night vision on. They're looking for somebody to rescue. We have a firefighting station. They actually get to put a fire out using a hose and get to see that through the virtual reality. We have a station where they're actually putting on firefighting gear, the boots, the pants, the jacket, and we're making it a fun race for these guys. And our last station is a chemical spill. They get to put on the hazmat suit, the mask, and we race through it, and they get to see what it's like to be a chemical biological specialist, and then they go through a little decontamination process. We learn all these different skills as a National Guard member to assist our communities during times of need.
I got to do firefighting, which was really awesome. There was fires like all around, and it was just like nice to hear the people saying like, watch out for branches and put the fire out. Like they were giving us really good tips. Virtual reality was like really fun.
The VR makes it more realistic for someone to like do these situations. Learning and seeing what it's like, saving someone's life doing CPR, it's really important. We can use that in our own lives.
I really enjoyed the VR firefighting experience because I was able to see the weight of it in your hands. It's very different from just like watching a video because you're actually making the choices yourself.
Some kids don't know what a career may look like until we show them the ins and outs of it, and having the National Guard here shows them the different possibilities of a career and the different avenues that they could explore within that military career choice.
We like to say here in the National Guard that if you can find a job on the outside, I guarantee you can find something here in the National Guard. I was one of those kids that was like, I don't know if I'll ever join, go to college, realize what adulting is for the first time, and, got help paying for school, and it's been an experience.
We very much appreciate Nikki's involvement with this. She was with us in the spring when this kind of first started. There's a lot of behind the scenes work for any type of event like this for our students to have a great day.
Something that I have learned as part of my college education is that an interactive experience is more impressionable cognitively. So I'm hoping that these students, rather than being unclear about what their opportunities are for higher education, that the message that they really get is that there are career fields that I can enter into while I'm participating and earning my college education, and I'm hoping that their takeaway is that they understand that their college degree matters in the outcome of their life and how they want to see it fulfilled.